Europe has already set an ambitious target of 20% reduction in CO2 emissions by the year 2020. Today, it has decided to go further and is launching the Covenant of Mayors. By signing this covenant, cities make a commitment to go beyond that reduction target at local level by undertaking actions in favor of energy efficiency and the use of renewable energy. Heidelberg in Germany was one of the first to sign. Here, 140,000 citizens and their mayors have been working for 19 years to improve air quality. This exemplary city is happy to be part of this new European initiative.
It's a great perspective for us as cities to sign this Covenant of Mayors. To come to a clear commitment now, together with the European Commission, is a big step.
The Kleber Agency is one of many projects set up in Heidelberg. It provides citizens with free, impartial advice on how to save energy in their home and the development of renewable energies. Since its creation, its success has spread.
Insgesamt seit Bestehen der Kleber in den 10 Jahren haben wir über 12.000 Kontakte gehabt mit den Bürgern.
Its influence has even spread to neighboring villages. When it was founded, Kleber provided energy advice and audits to the inhabitants of 4 neighboring communes. Today, it offers advice to a further 20 communes.
Es ist für uns eine gewisse Sicherheit, von der Kleber zu erfahren, was wir machen wollen, ob das sinnvoll ist oder nicht.
The citizens of Heidelberg support their mayor's effort to reduce CO2 emissions. One of the best examples is this recent poster campaign, in which 450 inhabitants explain the simple acts they perform to improve air quality in their city.
Well known in the city, I have a solar panel on my roof to reduce CO2 emissions.
Mein Gedanke ist, dass ich weniger mit dem Auto fahren möchte, sondern einfach aus Umweltschutzgründen für kurze Strecken mein Fahrrad benutze.
These practical examples make it much more easier to understand from the citizen side what you can do, how easy you can reduce CO2 emissions. It is not such a technical question, it's more a question of do it. Just do it. That's our slogan.
In Heidelberg, the struggle to improve air quality also extends to future generations. In this spirit, the municipality has set up energy consumption control stations in all public buildings and has launched the idea of energy teams in schools. These groups of pupils have the task of finding strategies to reduce energy consumption in their school and raise awareness amongst other pupils.
Aber hier so in der Schule bei meinen Freunden, denen erzähle ich dann halt oft auch mal und erkläre denen auch, warum sie es so machen sollen. Das ist ein wichtiger Punkt, dass viele wissen, was sie tun sollen, aber nicht warum. Dann kann ich es ihnen halt gut erklären, dass sie halt Energie sparen sollen, um die Welt letzten Endes zu retten.
This group explains energy-saving techniques to the other pupils. After school, the E-Team checks that all the classes are heeding their advice.
Ein Fenster, das offen war und trotzdem ist die Heizung an. Und eigentlich darf in dieser Zeit gar kein Fenster offen sein. Von daher sollen wir jetzt das Hallo 11.
If they discover rules are not being adhered to, they leave a comment, a sort of bad mark called a hello. At the end of the year, the class with the least hellos is rewarded with a half-day holiday. The town largely reinvests the money saved on energy consumption into the school.
Von diesen Geldern haben wir dann eben Anschaffungen gemacht, zum Beispiel hier die Solaranlage und das Windrad konnten wir uns leisten. In den ersten Jahren haben wir sehr viel Geld eingespart. 1999, 2000 waren das so 90.000 D-Mark, heute 45.000 Euro.
When you think about that we reduced our CO2 emissions for our whole city facilities over the last 10 years of nearly 40%, then you can see that you can really achieve a climate reduction target, and this is the perspective which we want to share with other citizens and also with other cities in Europe, and I think this is the message of the Covenant of Mayors: work together.
Each town has specific strategies to share. Take the example of Riga, the capital of Latvia. Here too, the mayor, Jānis Burks, has decided to take on the challenge of the Covenant of Mayors and is preparing, along with his 900,000 citizens, to set up systems to reduce CO2 emissions by taking advantage of the assets of the region.
Mēs esam ļoti bagāti ar mežiem, aptuveni 40% Latvijas teritorijas klāja meži, un mēs esam ieinteresēti izmantot šos atjaunojamos energoresursus. Un kā jūs redzat šeit, tas arī praktiski tiek darīts.
For example, the factory of Daugavgrīva collects clean wood chips from a nearby paneling factory, which are then used to heat 90 residential buildings nearby, a total surface area of 90,000 square meters. The factory has been constantly improved since 2001, and Mr. Birks considers it an example for the development of this type of energy production.
Rīgai paredzēts plāns, ka mēs ceļam vēl jaunu, daudz jaudīgāku šādu siltumu mēsglu, un tas būs citā Rīgas rajonā, jo mums jāskatās arī atkarībā no pilsētas attīstības plāna, tad ir paredzēts vēl celt šādas šķeldas kurinātavas.
The town waste tip is a nerve center for the eradication of pollution in Riga. The disintegration of waste produces a great deal of gas, of which 50% is methane, extremely damaging to the ozone layer. This gas is collected and incinerated to produce electricity via a neighboring electricity station, thus considerably reducing its impact on the environment. But the mayor wishes to go even further.
Nākotnē mēs mainīsim šo mūsu politiku, un nākotne pieder atkritumu dedzināšanai, pārstrādei, pilnīgai, gandrīz 100% atkritumu pārstrādei, un tā kā mēs iesim par šo ceļu.
Riga intends to use its assets, but also to offset its weaknesses. For example, the lack of sun in winter restricts the effectiveness of solar panels and makes their installation relatively unattractive. With this in mind, the town is supporting scientific studies to optimize the energy yield of solar panels to heat water and supply electricity.
Pēc tam šos te datus dabiski mēs varam iedzīvotājiem viņus izplatīt. Tāpat arī interesanti zinātnes mērķiem ir iegūtie reālie dati. Un tāpat arī visai prognozēšanai un atjaunojumu energoresursu izmantošanai Latvijā.
Furthermore, Riga is increasingly holding exhibitions providing information about green technologies. Here too, an agency gives advice on how to optimize energy consumption and insulation in the home. This is a major challenge, as 60% of the buildings were built before the Second World War. The popularity of these exhibitions demonstrates the growing concern of Riga's inhabitants regarding environmental and energy consumption issues.
Es šajā izstādē ierados, lai redzētu jaunākās tehnoloģijas elektroenerģijas ražošanai no biogāzes.
Jebkurš cilvēks sāktu izmantot alternatīvo enerģiju, tā ir zaļā enerģija, kas neprasa nekādus ieguldījumus, nerada izmešus. Mēs dzīvosim tīrākā gaisā, mēs dzīvosim labāk, arī ekoloģiskās katastrofas būs daudz mazāk.
Mums visiem kopā ir jāstrādā, tikai tā mēs spēsim panākt rezultātu, lai šī zeme, lai šī pasaule būtu ilgtspējīga. Mēs strādājam nākotnes vārdā, un šodienas pieņemtie lēmumi ietekmēs nākotnes procesu.
The European Union will encourage those signing the covenant to pool and exchange best practices worldwide in sustainable energy. Today, over 100 pioneering cities have joined the Covenant of Mayors and are showing the way forward in the promotion of sustainable energy to combat climate change.